Ooh. Got him. You too. Bam. Welcome back. What is going on with y'all, man? Hey, glad to have y'all as always. It is your boy, Jay the Sneaker Guy, coming at y'all yet again with another unboxing. Unboxing gonna be regular because your boy ain't stopping the copping. Still copping, still swapping, all that, man. But yo, man, hey, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, stick around, man. Go ahead and join the fam, man, by smashing that subscribe button. We on that road to 50K, and we about to start saying on that road to 100K because we approaching that 50, man. So big shout out to each and every one of y'all for hitting that subscribe button, man. The family has been growing tremendously, and I have no one to thank but y'all, man. And always the man upstairs, man. But yeah, man, today we will be getting into an unboxing, but a disclaimer, bro, this is not my shoe, man. Your boy tried to get his size, but I couldn't get my size. So, you know, whenever I go for a shoe, I go for my size, then I put in my daughter's size, then I put in my wife's size. Not in that order, just any in particular order, but those are the sizes that I go for. And out of all the sizes that I put in, I hit for my daughter's size. So this will be going to my daughter, or I don't know. My daughter got so many shoes, she don't even be wearing all her shoes. So maybe I'll give it to her, maybe I won't. We'll see, probably more than likely though. But yes, man, let's go ahead and check out what your boy done picked up. And yeah, as I said at the beginning of the video, got him. Bang! Got him. Got another one of these boxes. What is going on? I know on my last video, my last unboxing video that is, I showed this box, and it was the Jordan 1 Mid All-Stars that I got, not from the Snkrs app, but I got it from Nike. And I was like, dang, is it a difference between Nike and Snkrs as far as the box they sent? And I guess I'm wrong, because I did hit this on Snkrs app, and it did send me this same box with this writing and stuff on it, as you can see. So like, I think they mixed it up, because I got these, like, I've gotten these boxes a couple times, and then times after that they send me the boxes that have the Just Do It tape on it. So it's like they alternate boxes, but I do prefer these because they are more disguisable. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't look like shoes. It doesn't look like just steal me, just get me. But yes, man, hey, got these. I didn't get no got 'em on my screen when I hit for these, but I don't even be well, I do care about the got 'em, because when you see that got 'em, it do something. I mean, even if it's a GR, bro, when you see that got 'em hit the screen, bro, it's like an adrenaline rush. Like, yes, sir. And it'll be some stuff that you probably don't even want. It's just, like I said, they got 'em. But yo, man, hey, popping it open, your boy done picked up for the daughter. Bang. A red Nike box, man. What y'all think it is? I mean, it could be a couple things, you know what I'm saying? But it is a red Nike box. The size tag on this one reads Nike Dunk Low GS. These retail for $85, and they going for, right now, they going for about $240. These are going for about $240. The last time I checked it, I don't know what time, well, what it's going for at the time that y'all are seeing this video, but last time I checked, they were going for around $240. So popping open this lid, man, it does have a lot number on the top of the lid, as you can see right there in that corner. And that's pretty much it, man. So let me go ahead and get up now and show y'all what your boy done picked up. This is actually my first time seeing this shoe in you know, kid sizes or any size. This is my first time seeing this shoe, period. So let's go ahead and check it out real quick, man. We got, bang, the Nike SB Dunks. I mean, they look like pandas. I mean, they just black and white, but we got the Nike SB Dunks, man.
Jay making movies. Swap it out, scene, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis.
Bang! Here we have them, man. We got the Nike SB Dunk. I'ma just call them black and whites, man. These black and white joints. I did go for these in my size because, you know, hey, that black and white colorway, you cannot go wrong with that black and white. Very easy to style. You can wear it with anything. You can swap the laces 1,000,001 times, man. But yeah, man, here they are, bro. We got these dunks right here on deck. Give y'all a quick close-up of them as well as an overview, man. Let me step out the way, man, so y'all can see the shoe in its entirety. But decent shoe, man. Nice, decent leather on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've seen better. It's average. I ain't even gonna hold you, but yeah, man. Just the colorway. The colorway is what sells this shoe, in my opinion. Very, very simple, clean shoe. You know what I'm saying? So there you have them. Like I said, I'm more than likely gonna get this to my daughter. Let her go ahead and have at it with these, so she can have a shoe just to throw on with anything. I do got a glue stain right there. Yeah, right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll probably wipe that off, man. But yo, man, did y'all go after these? Like, I know a couple people that went for them, and they kind of ended up in the same boat as me. They hit on a GS pair. But I mean, it's a handful of people that I know that hit in like men's sizes. But yeah, man, here they go, man. The SB Dunks. I don't know the name other than the black and white joints. But yeah, man, these are clean. These are a clean pair of dunks, in my opinion. It is nothing too special about it. Nothing to go over too much, because as you can see, bro, it's just a very basic shoe. But I gotta keep saying that it's a clean shoe, because it is, bro. It's a very clean pair, man. And come on, man, like I gotta bring these shoes out and ask y'all a question, right? Right now, dunks are the wave. Or is it the wave? It's kind of, you know, the sneaker game is wishy-washy as far as what shoes are popping and what shoes are not. You know that collabs are always gonna be popping. Collabs are gonna last forever. But you know, as far as the shoes themselves, like a certain silhouette, it's hit or miss. But dunks were popping. You can argue and say that they still are, which I do think they still are. But some people might say that dunks are dead, blah blah blah. I don't think so. But anyways, dunks are the ways, right? People will go crazy and pay crazy prices for this shoe, right? But shame this shoe. People, they will say that this is a Jordan 1 mid and it's trash. Please explain to me. Come on, bro. Where would you like? Stay away from the hype. And when I say hype, I don't mean like what everybody's liking. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from I guess what everybody's liking, bro. But come on, bro. I'm gonna just put these away, bro. Look, don't sleep on Jordan 1 mids, man. But yo, man, we just gonna stop it right there, bro. As you can see, these again, the Nike SB Dunks, these will be going to my daughter. And like I said, if y'all get anything from this video, man, what would you like, bro? Don't worry about what anybody else say. That's why on this channel, man, I bring y'all everything. I'm actually starting to get more into dunks. When I first started my channel, I was like, I wasn't even looking in the direction of dunks, but I opened up my mind. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to get a lot of you guys to do, as far as with different shoes, different silhouettes, and especially like shoes. Like I said, it was real good for me to reference the Jordan 1 mids, because there's a high percentage of people that's like, they won't even look in the direction of mids. Oh, they're mids. Bro, it's some dope colorways in mids, bro. Some very, very dope colorways in mids that people argue and say that they would love it. It would sell out. It would do this and that on a high. What's the difference? Grab the mid, bro. The mid, don't sleep on them. But it is what it is, man. But your boy is checking out, man. I did pick these up. Got them. Not even the got them, but I got that W from the Snkrs app. And we gonna keep the streak alive, man. Your boy has been hitting a lot. This is my best year in the Snkrs app. Like, ever since I hit on my J Balvin Jordan 1s in December, or I think it was December they released. But ever since I hit on my J Balvins, I've had nothing but success on Snkrs app, man. So I ain't mad at it. Get that fresh new shoe smell, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for this one. Your boy Jay is checking out with these dunks. And till the next one, man, I'm gone. Stay blessed. Wear what you like. Don't fall into the hype trap, man. But y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Peace.